Hello students, hope you all are fine. So students, as you know, we are doing multiples and factors chapter. Okay, now you all know what are multiples and what are factors. So today our topic is prime and composite numbers. Both these terms are new for you. Okay, you are doing these terms first time. So let's start. So first we will write all the factors from 1 to 20. Okay? You know how to write factors of a number? So let's start. So first we will write factor of 1, that is 1 only. Okay? Then factor of 2 means 1 and 2 are divisible with 2. Okay? This is the meaning of factor, na? So then 3, 1 and 3. Then 4, 4, 1, 2, 4. Means this 4 comes in 1's table, 2's table and 4's table. Okay. All these numbers are divisible with 4. Then 5, 1 and 5. Then 6, 1, 2, 3 and 6. 7, 1, 7. Writing factors you have done in grade 4. Okay. So you know very well how to write factors. 8, 1, 2, 4, 8. 9, 1, 3, 9. 10, 1, 2, 5, 10. 11, 1, 11. Okay. 11 comes only in 1's table and 11's table. That's it. Then 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Then 13, 1, 13. 14, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 7, 14. Then 15, 1, 3, 5, 15. 16, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Okay. 17, 1, 17. 18, 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Then 19, 1, 19. Then 20, 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. Students, you all know that factors starts from 1 and ends at number itself. See, everywhere starts from 1, ends at number itself. Starts from 1, ends at number itself. Means smallest factor of a number is 1 and 1 is the factor of all the numbers. So smallest factor is 1 and the greatest factor is number itself. Number itself of every number. Okay. This is about factors. Factors of all the numbers from 1 to 20. Okay. Now you observe. You observe this pattern. Okay. You observe it very carefully. So have you seen something different? See. So if you see that there are some numbers which have only 2 factors. There are some numbers which have only 2 factors. Okay. And other numbers are factors more than 2. Either 3 or 4, sometimes 5, sometimes 6. Okay. So, but there are some numbers which have only 2 factors. So, students, those numbers are called prime numbers. Those numbers are called prime numbers. So, what are prime numbers? numbers which have only two factors, 1 and number itself. You look at here all the numbers, 1 and number itself, 1 and number itself. See, 1 and number itself, 1 and number itself. See, everywhere 1 and number itself. So these numbers are called prime numbers. So it means 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19 are prime numbers from 1 to 20. Okay, it will carry forward. Okay, so these are prime numbers. Now we will call these numbers prime numbers. Now what about other numbers which have more than two factors? So those numbers are called, students, composite numbers. Numbers which have more than two factors. Means the numbers which are not prime. Those are called composite numbers. Those who have more than two factors. Those are called composite numbers. And students, if you see 1 has only one factor. Why it has only one factor? Because it is 1 and number itself is also 1. So it has only one factor. So is it prime or composite? So 1 is neither prime nor a composite number. It's neither prime nor composite. Okay, it is neutral. It is neutral. Okay. So I think it is clear to all that what are prime numbers? The numbers which have only two factors, 1 and number itself, and composite numbers which are not prime means the numbers which have more than two factors, and 1 is neither prime nor composite. Okay, so what's your homework? So students, you have to write factors of all the numbers from 21 to 100, and then you have to figure out that which are prime numbers and which are composite numbers. Same I have written 1 to 20. Like this you have to write from 21 to 100. Okay, I hope it is clear to all. Thank you students. Have a nice day.